Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Xero for CRM invoicing workflows step by step clearly. Visit the Xero website in your browser. Click on the Sign Up button located on the home page. Choose the plan that best suits your business needs. Fill in the required fields such as your email address and password. Click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Enter your business information, including name, country, and type of business. Select your plan again and review the pricing details. Click on Continue to confirm your selection. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a verification email. Click on the verification link provided in the email to activate your account. Once activated, return to the Xero login page. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Complete any additional setup prompts, such as adding your business logo. Navigate to the Settings section to customize your invoicing preferences. Set up your contact information, including billing and shipping addresses. Add your payment options for customers. Customize your invoice template according to your brand style. Create your first invoice by selecting the Invoicing tab. Enter customer details, including name and email address. Add the products or services you will be invoicing for. Specify amounts, tax rates, and any discounts if applicable. Review the invoice for accuracy before sending. Click Send to deliver the invoice directly to your customer. Monitor invoice statuses in the Xero dashboard. Utilize the CRM features to manage customer relationships effectively. Make adjustments as necessary based on your invoicing and CRM needs. Explore additional Xero functionalities as you grow more comfortable. Keep your Xero account updated with any changes to your business information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel